Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I shape this spicy noodles recipe? Added 2 spoons of olive oil, onion, carrots, green pea, courgette, spring onion. I will stir and combine together. Now I will add in my pepper sauce. I will also mix together again. And now I added my whisked egg. I added oil from the noodles pack and I added just some of the seasoning. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep commenting, keep sharing, keep liking. Thank you for being here. So now I stir together. I'll add 2 of the noodles and I'll add just a slime of hot water. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of the family so that anytime we upload new videos you will be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Help me to share this video, guys. So once the noodles are cooked, I'll just sweep and mix it together and I like to steam just for 1 second. Our noodles is ready. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.